What's going on, guys? So if you're new here, my name is Felipe, and on YouTube, or rather the internet, I make videos talking about gear, tutorials, and how to make creators better creators. So if this is content that you'd be interested in seeing, go ahead and hit that notification bell button and subscribe, and I'd greatly appreciate that. But today, what we're going to be talking about is how to make IGTV videos, but not just IGTV videos, how to make high quality IGTV videos. So it's pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and get your computer and then open it up, and we'll open up Adobe Premiere Pro. So once you have the whole application opened up and ready to go, just go ahead and start a new project, name it whatever, and then once you're on the kind of workspace, we're going to go to File, New, Sequence, and on that sequence I typically use the DSLR 1080p 24, and then we'll go to Settings. We'll change the settings from the frame size to be 1920 by 1080, which is a 16:9 aspect ratio, to 1080 by 1920, and then we'll hit OK. Once you have that opened up, go ahead and import all your files into a library, and once you're ready to start your edit, there's two different ways to go about doing it. You can either do your edit and then rotate all your files, or you can, what I personally prefer is to rotate your files and then do your edits. That way you see what you're editing and how it's going to come out exactly. So after you have your edit, this is the most important part. Make sure you're paying attention on this and following along, because we'll go to File, Export, Media. Once you're at Media, make sure the format is H.264. I typically use the preset YouTube 1080 HD, and then we'll switch the basic video settings back to 1080 by 1920, and then we'll go down to render at maximum depth. Make sure that the VBR or bitrate encoding is VBR pass 2-pass. What 2-pass does is basically whenever your video is rendering, it makes sure it renders it twice, so that way you're getting the maximum quality possible. And then at the target bitrate, we're going to do 40. And upping that target bitrate, what you're going to do is make sure that you're not losing any detail whenever you're exporting the video. And then we'll do render at maximum quality, and make sure the audio is AAC, and then we'll hit export. So after that, there's a couple of different ways to get the video from your computer to your phone. You can either use what I think is the best way, which is AirDrop, and that's mainly for Mac to iPhone, or if you have a PC, you can use Google Drive or Dropbox or WeTransfer. And then there's also an app on the App Store if you have an iPhone but a PC, which is called the iTransfer app, I believe. So that's all I have for today, guys. If this is something that you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe. Comment down any questions that you have or things that you would like to see. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Lonely nights up in my room, yeah. I got like this because of you, yeah. She was red and I was blue, yeah. The color purple wait for you, yeah. Times are tough.